Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we can see how we can change the truck speed in Euro Truck Simulator 2. So let's get started. So initially whenever you drive any truck, the truck speed will be limited to 90 km per hour. In the route advisor also, in the bottom left you can see 90 km per hour speed limit, and in the top left in the current speed indicator, whenever you go beyond this 90 km per hour, so you will be highlighted with the red color, so which means it's a warning, you are going beyond the current speed limit. So this speed limit will vary according to the places. So for example, now I am on highway, so the speed limit for my truck is 90 km per hour. Suppose if you are inside the city, so the speed limit will be 50 km per hour. So whenever you cross this speed limit, so you will be indicated with the warning. So now you can see the current speed in which it is 90 km per hour. So I cannot drive this truck more than 90 km per hour. So let's stop the truck and we can change this setting so that we can go beyond 90 km per hour. So escape and go to the options. Here you can see the gameplay preferences. So in this one, under game settings, you can see the route advisor speed limit. So currently the route advisor is showing the truck limit, so which is 90 km per hour. Now we can change it to car limit. So the car limit is higher than the truck limit, so which can be 130 km per hour or 110 km per hour. Suppose you don't want to see the speed limit, you can totally hide that. But now I am choosing the car limit, and next to that you can see speed warning. The checkbox is checked now. So if you don't want to see any overspeed warnings, you can uncheck it. So I want to keep these settings. So the next setting is the truck settings. So this is the actual setting which is changing the truck speed. So you can see truck speed limiter. So this checkbox is enabled by default. Suppose you don't want the speed limiter, you can uncheck it, and then now we can go and see the change. So now I am starting my truck. So gradually we are increasing the accelerator. So we are 40 km per hour now. We crossed 50. 70 km we have reached. And in the route advisor you can see the current speed limit is 130 km per hour. So it is now showing the car limit. So now you can see I am crossed the 105 km per hour. So this particular speed limit is based on your truck. So suppose if your truck allows you to go beyond 130 or 140 km per hour, you can go on that. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want more videos and tips and tricks like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.